sure. All right. Hey, everyone. Oh, I'm not used to using the gimbal again. Well, that's going on about its business. It's doing that connection thing. Look, I can't even get it to There it goes. Everyone, this is Ray with Herrholz. We're here in Hollywood Studios finally. Holy moly, to get us here today was insane. Right now we're going into Starbucks to get a caffeinated beverage before we head back to Bat 2. Yeah, so, well, it took us a little bit to get here today. Iron Infusion ran really late today, and then just before we left the house, Big C decided he was gonna play in the powder, and that's horrible. So, and then we got stuck in traffic, so we got here really late. Much later than we wanted to, but we're here. I hope you are enjoying it. Like I said, we're getting us a nice caffeinated beverage. There's Gertie. Here's the boys. I forgot my ears and my hair clip. They're in the car. Ugh. So we are here.
Yeah, you want to do babe? You want to do there?
What are we going to get today? You're fine. You're messing with that?
Sure, we got nothing better to do in line.
Fix it so maybe the cups will sit
Free
more.
time.
So I don't know what I want. There's two sitting over there, by the way. There are two. Those wonderful little carrot cakes. So what to get today? What to get? And I forgot to bring my creamer. Hi.
Hello! First things first. I didn't get it the last time y'all ran out. I know, that's like, since y'all are the only ones that have it. You want your blonde or you want a London fog or?
If they have a blonde, that'd be great.
Venti blonde, coconut milk?
No, not coconuts. The non-dairy.
Non-dairy sweet cream.
Non-dairy vanilla sweet cream for the blonde. Yes.
So right now for our blonde and dark, we're only going to pour so it's going to be like 15 to 20 minutes. Or I can do a pike. That's what we have on for right now.
Pike will be fine.
Pike, absolutely. What size?
Thank you.
I thought that it was.
And you said you wanted that non-dairy.
Next, ready, guys?
Yeah, the non-dairy vanilla sweet.
Yeah, we have
I'm gonna do my normal.
and then something laminated as well.
Latte.
They didn't look busy.
Light ice. Otherwise you have 36 Normally it's like the vanilla pie, whatever, that's the one I grab.
That's the one you throw? Okay. It's your regular and anything else?
You know, hold on. 2 seconds. Wait a second.
May I get a name?
I saw something the other day. Shot the picture. How to order. This sounds good.
Chicken espresso, and then cheese Danish. Today and crazy tart. That's my favorite. So whatever you're ready.
You know what it is then?
I know what that is, yes.
Alright, so there's that one, and then there's the chocolate version of it. Which is better?
I like the white one because
Can we get up next, guys, over here?
I'm sorry.
What it is. So you know what that one is. That's what the guy said to do it.
Sometimes it's just a little harder.
Ooh.
so do you want that instead of the chai?
Yes.
I can have the next ready guest.
You want a Rice Krispie?
No,
No.
that's it.
That's it, yeah.
Okay, now hold it near the.
This one's you? Alright, there it goes. It's sent.
Did it?
Processing. Approved.
I'm gonna take the boys and go outside.
Okay.
So you want to put that up here so it won't get lost?
Yeah, I'll have to remember to give you a fork.
All right, we are going outside. I'm gonna try to. I am gonna go against the grain. I'm sorry. Pardon me. We are going backwards. Okay, now we are out. I'll leave Biggie to get our drinks because you couldn't get out the other way at all. So we are going to head over. Check it out, that's so cool. Sorry guys, I get sidetracked easy. Fantastic, very cool. All right, we're gonna head back to Batude to Smuggler's Run. They are not tall enough to ride, so we're going to be doing swap and single rider. There he is, he's way down there. So let's go back here. I had to come out here because nobody over there was going to move.
If you need to, I'll get another thingy.
So I will be up here waiting. Come on, fix. Yes, buddy, hold on. Okay. Okay, I haven't used my gimbal in a while. This tastes horrible. I have to put this down so I can start. Okay, yeah, see, it wasn't stirred. And I'm gonna fix it here. Facing the Chinese Theater. We're outside of Starbucks. This is Sunset Boulevard, or the Sunset, next to Starbucks. Get my favorite food. So we were originally planning to be here hours ago. We didn't even work out like that. Here we go. Let's see. Will it turn? No, it's not talking. Wait. This says it will flip it, so let's flip. Hey, it did it. Cheers, everybody. Hi, it's just Ray with Herrholz, caffeinated beverage. I just have a coffee and some non-dairy cream in it today. Right now we're waiting for Big E. He's getting something he normally doesn't get, which is really wild. So I apologize. His iron infusion ran over today because they are closed on Monday, so they were double doing today. And then I imagine we're supposed to be back here on Tuesday as well, and I don't know if we're gonna make the Tuesday one, because I found out that the art and animation area is open. We get to go see the hat, but we're so it's 8 o'clock. They close in 2 hours. Because our goal is to ride the Smuggler's Run as many times as we can to see all of, but they have 2 endings and you're allowed to pick, so it'll be really cool. So when we get over, they're going to do rock, paper, scissors and see who goes first. Maybe they'll let us do baby swap, maybe they won't, I don't know. We'll find out. But we can walk over here. I'm excited. I want to see the hat. I've never been to California, Burbank, California, and actually to walk on the studios there. So this is gonna be really cool. It's very windy today too, by the way. I know you're gonna hide your face, okay. Sorry, Cam is just... He has, his eyes don't do well in super bright light. So his glasses that we're gonna get him, we got him set an appointment to go get fitted, get his lenses. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know if he's gonna go, oh no, don't let your paper go. Oh, I'm sorry, there's so many things popping up since we've gotten here. Let's see, this took us a little bit of traffic. So 429 South, insane. It just comes to an abrupt stop, and then you just slowly move, and then 3 lanes to 2 lanes, we stopped again, and then trying to find a handicap parking spot. There's just not enough, especially when you have large strollers equipment. Now that we are no longer doing school, we've got the his stroller wheelchair, so we're gonna give that a turn one time. I don't know if I'm gonna get both strollers in the car or not. That's gonna be interesting. And supposedly, we don't qualify for DAS right now. The guy said your stroller should be just fine, and he hung up on us. But he was also, we were his last appointment of the day last week. I just haven't sat down and took the time to try, because I'm still doing training for my travel agent stuff. I'm still doing training, all that stuff. So I have to sit down and do all the continuing education, just like in nursing. Yes, so much continuing education you have to sit down and do. A lot. So I've been doing that. I gotta learn how to market myself too, so that's the other thing. So while we're here, we're live, so you guys can enjoy this with us. And I know I haven't seen anybody play the Disney Parks game in a while, so whoever of us gets, who doesn't get to ride first, we're gonna take the other camera, it's not live, and we're gonna record going around and playing the Disney Parks, scanning it back to playing one of the games and scanning the QR codes. And we're gonna, it's facing me, so what did you end up with today?
All right, so.
Come here. You have to come around here. I'll turn this over. You can see.
It's something I saw online. I can
this
probably
vertical?
put a
Hold
link
on.
to the.
Switch. Switch? No, it's not going to switch. Okay, I don't know.
So it's something I saw online. It's supposed to be like cookies and cream. So it's a white mocha, but it says no mocha, extra mocha. They're like this, and one with chocolate. And the girl behind the counter said she likes this one better, so I gotta try this one first. I will try the other one, just not today.